Wherever we go, there are those tools that we must have all the times, whether we travel on highway or off-road. Car jacks is a must-have, but what kind of car jack do I have to carry all the time? In this video, I'm gonna explain two types of car jacks that I often use, which are relatively cheap and easy to use. These are floor jacks versus bottle jack. Bottle jacks are compact, weighs around 4 to 9 kilos depending on the size. Really ideal for SUVs, pickups or utes. They can lift heavier loads in a good height, but not as high as high lift jacks. Really easy to operate, even an idiot like me can operate it properly. I'm currently using a 32-inch tires, and probably soon I will upgrade to 33-ish to 34, which will increase the ground clearance of my vehicle. Thus, I need a jack that could lift my car so that I could remove the tires easily without any problems. I bought this Mech Pro bottle jack on sale. It's labeled as 20-ton bottle jack. Two drawbacks that I could say with the use of bottle jacks. First would be it's not easy to put underneath your car, especially if you have a fairly low ground clearance. Second one would be the stability of the bottle jack when in use. So it would be really ideal if you can bring along a wide base plate for the bottle jack. Another reason why I did bought it is because I need some decent space in my boot. I replaced the old bottle jack with a new bottle jack, and fortunately it fits on the hidden compartment on the boot. Now I gain a few square centimeter of space in my boot as well. Maybe after using it for a few months, I'll post a short review on my Instagram account with regards how the Mech Pro 20-ton bottle jack performs. On the other hand, floor jack is quite an opposite of the bottle jack. It has a wide base, which makes it more stable, especially on pavement. Easy to place underneath the vehicle because it also got wheels. Fairly good for lifting vehicles with stock to a bit lowered ground clearance. On the video, I tried to put it underneath the Honda Jazz. I also tried to insert whether I can use the bottle jack for this vehicle, but unfortunately it's not ideal. So clearly, with regards to space saving and ground clearance, the scissor jack definitely win, but definitely I'm not going to use them as much as I can. I love using my floor jack, but I don't have the luxury of space on the boot of the vehicle, especially when I'm traveling big time. I'll go with the bottle jack. I can use it off-road or highway travel. How about you? What jack do you prefer to bring all the time? Please share us your ideas and just leave it in the comment. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and might as well subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much and happy traveling.